Welcome to Study Loop.
Well, now we'll work on problem 98 from chapter 17. Here they're asking us to say if for 4 compounds, whether they will be more soluble in pure water or acidic media. So the first one is Hg2Br2, mercury bromide. And what we need to consider here is to see if we'll have more solubility in acidic media or pure water. Now, what we need to consider here is how an acid would react with the compound to see if it would be conducive to solubility or not. So if a reactant, an acid, were to react with this compound, it would react with this here, the Br2. And since HBr is a strong acid, there would be no reaction between the H plus and Br minus. So they would stay as ions in solution. So that's not a driving force for solubility in acidic media. So we would say that Hg2Br2 is more soluble in pure water, since this conjugate base here would not be more soluble in acidic media. Now for B, magnesium hydroxide, we can see here that this base would react very strongly with the acidic solution, which would cause the OH to be consumed, which would drive our equilibrium to the right in acid. So the answer is acidic solution, because we do not get that same effect in pure water. For part C, we have calcium carbonate. For a similar reason above, although not as strong an effect, because carbonate is not a strong base, but it will react with acidic to form either bicarbonate or carbonic acid. So we do have from the consumption of carbonate, we have a shifting of the equilibrium to the right in an acidic solution, so that would be more soluble than pure water, in pure water. So for part D, we have silver iodide, and for similar reasons as part A, we have our conjugate base, if you will, is I or I minus, and that will not be consumed by the acid. It won't be, so we don't see any additional effect from adding the acid, so pure water should provide better solubility.